If you're starting a sticker business and you're printing them yourself, you need those colors to be bold and vibrant. Here's how you can achieve that by also spending a fraction of the cost on ink. I print all my stickers myself, and so I use an HP Envy 6055 printer. It was pretty reasonably priced, but the best part was the HP Instant Ink service. With most of the new HP printers, you can opt in for their subscription service for ink and toner. Depending on how much you print, you could have unlimited ink for $4 a month. So for a fraction of the cost, HP will send you ink as you need it. In the description below, there's a link to sign up for 1 free month of the HP Instant Ink service. Everyone knows ink is expensive, and if your business relies upon it, you're going to be spending some big bucks. If you sign up, you pay absolutely nothing for that first month, and you can print as much as you want. And there's no commitment, so you can cancel whenever you want, but you're not going to want to. So in order to save money and print great quality stickers, I highly recommend this printer that I have, linked below, and the HP Instant Ink service.